So in our computers we have this thing called RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory. So it's just memory where we can store data. Now RAM contains what we call address spaces, and these are lots of little areas where we can store data. So we're visualizing here all these different address spaces in our RAM. So imagine I wanted to store the integer 6 in one of these address spaces. So what I do in Python is, first of all, I create a variable, which I'm going to call a, and I just say a is equal to 6, just like that. And what that does is that puts the value 6, this integer 6, into an address space, and then this variable a points to that address space. Let's go ahead and do another one. So this time I'm going to create a variable called b. I'm going to say b is equal to 3. So that's going to put 3 in a completely random place in the address space, and we've got b now pointing over here at 3. So I've now created two variables, variable a and variable b, and they both point to different address spaces in the RAM. A points to the address space containing 6 and b points to the address space containing 3. I'm going to create a new variable now called c, and I'm going to say c is equal to a. So what does that do? Well, this new variable c is going to point to the same place that a points to. So c is now also pointing to that address space containing the integer 6.